Welcome to Ask and Learn.
We're asked, given sets to find nondeterministic finite state automata that recognize each of these sets using the constructions described in the proof of Kleene's theorem. These are the constructions in figure 3a for the most part. So in part A, we're given the set 0 star, 1 star. We have that the machine, which is a non-deterministic finite state automata, for 0 star is given by, if you look at the book, this is the second image in figure 3a. Except instead of a 1, we'll make it a 0. So with the 1 placed by 0, and we have the machine for 1 star is also given by the second image of figure 3a. Now, to form machine for 0 star, 1 star, concatenate the two machines by using the same input for the first machine, the one for 0 star, and by drawing an arrow from the start state of the first machine, the one for 0 star, to the start state of the second machine, the one for 1 star. And this gives us the desired machine. In part B, we are given the set 0 union 1 1 star, now we see that the non-deterministic finite state machine for 0 is given by the third image in figure 3a, and the machine that recognizes 1 1 is given in the fourth image of figure 3a, with the zeros replaced by ones. Now, we want to find the union of the machines for 0 and the machine for 1, 1. So we're going to take the union of machines recognizing 0 and 1, 1 by concatenating the two machines to the same new start state And finally, we take the clean closure of this machine. By making the start state a final state, and adding loops or cycles for each machine in the union, and finally, by switching machines when the input changes to the other term in the union. For example, if start state for the machine is as 0, we'll make this start state a final state. And we see that if our first input is a 0, well, we're going to remain in the first machine, and this machine, it only has an end state S1, which is going to have a loop back to itself. Now in part C, we are given the set 0, 1 star union 0, 0 star 1. So we have that the machine that recognizes 0 is the third image in figure 3a. And the machine that recognizes 1 star is the second image. Now, we need to concatenate these two machines. So we'll concatenate these two machines. By using the same input for the first machine for 0, and by drawing an arrow from the start state of the first machine to the start state of the second machine, the one for 1 star, so we've concatenated these two machines to get the machine for 0, 1 star. Now, we have that the nondeterministic finite state automaton that recognizes 0 star and the machine that recognizes 1. So the machines that recognize 0 star and 1 are given by for 0 star, this is going to be the second image. With 0 replacing 1, and the machine for 1, the first image, respectively, of figure 3a. Now we need to concatenate 0, 0 star, and 1's machines all together. So, to do this, first let's concatenate these two machines by using the input for the first machine, the one for 0 star, and by drawing an arrow from the start state of the first machine, again the one for 0 star, to the start state of the second machine. This is the one for 1. And now we want to concatenate the machines for 0 and our previously constructed machine for 0 star 1 by using the same input as the first machine, the machine for 0, and by drawing an arrow from the start state for the first machine, again the one for recognizing the set 0, to the start state of the second machine, which is the one that recognizes 0 star 1. And now we need to find the union of machines for recognizing, let's see, on the one hand we have our first machine as a 0, 1 star, and the other machine recognizes 0, 0 star 1. We'll find the union by concatenating the starts states of the two machines to the same new start state